Alright, so here I'm going to break down the intro. This is Cornerstone, and they cannot play this on a keyboard, but I like this, just kind of, you can just basically do a simple intro, or you can do this kind of intro I've written for you. You can see the tablature on the sheet, but I use my second finger, and I make a G chord, so I have two fingers, mostly this whole time. The top finger runs on the bass, and then the bottom finger does the riff. By using the two finger every time and then using the one finger to run the riff. So basically you start out, I'm on the capo 5, but it's like the 3rd fret up would be the top of the G chord, and then it's repetitive, so I'll teach the 1 to you and then you can do them all. It goes 1, it goes, so you hit the top 1, that's the 1 beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 doing all down strums, so you should probably do this first. Da 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 da. Bass 1 1 0 0 2 2 0. Bass 1 1 0 0 2 2 0. And once you get that down, then you can actually do the. I'm kind of playing the top 2. Just the 2, so I play the 1 note and then the one above it. And really I'm just kind of strumming. Once I get going, I'm just kind of going. Shift down, then you shift down to the E minor. And you kind of roll your hand in like that. It's a little awkward to get that one finger under there, but you can do it. You just kind of. Then you go to the 3, and there's a little spread here. We'll do the strumming pattern in the next video, but you can see this is just very simply going from these 2, 3, you can leave the root note down all the time. Then the E minor, you go to E minor. You work on kind of shifting this up. You're kind of like moving that hand like that, just to get that E minor. And then you slide up to the C with the 2nd fret. And then the D is all open. Alright, so let me know if you have any questions about that, and we'll kick over to the next video where we do just the real simple strumming pattern, and you guys will have the song.